When Wium and I started, we weren't sure where the road was going to lead us. But we knew that we had to tell honest stories from the bush. We wanted to take people deeper, to see the day-to-day trials and tribulations of the conservation heroes. Nowhere have we ever heard of or had it been recorded that a little lion had left and moved off with 3 big male lions.
It's amazing.
The most absolutely heartbreaking thing was when she tried to start suckling from the bellies of the males. You have to sort of wonder, well, shouldn't we help? Is it right to help? It was decided that it was worth taking the risk.
Ja, I'm sure it'll follow.